the automation framework using Playwright documentation page. So we are on automationquicksetup.com. This is a one point for all the possible automation tools we can access from here. So here we have the Playwright. I just open it, Playwright. So here this is the official documentation for the Playwright, and we can see that this is the getting started and how we are going to set up the automation framework using Playwright. Let's see, this is the installation. So we can do so this is the init command usage. So we can set up the we can start setting up the framework using npm init playwright command, but I'm going to use the manual approach. So for manual, you can see I'm just going to copy this npm command. So this is for installing the supported browser. The next command is for this npx playwright install, which install the support all this supported browsers. So first, I'm just executing this command. So this is the editor, Visual Studio Code. I'm just before that, I let me initiate my project. So npm init. So yes. This is going to create the package.json. Okay, yes. So my package.json is created. Now let me clear the console, and this is the command we copied from the documentation page, and npm id playwright test. Okay, I think the test is not written completely, so let me clear it. Okay, it is test. Okay, so let's open the package.json. Here we'll see that this playwright test dependency is added, dev dependency. So now let's go back on the documentation page. So now we execute this command to install all supported browser npx playwright install. So okay, for me this is already there, so that is why it didn't take any time. Now this is the first test. I'm just copying the code, and now let me create one test directory. Here I'm just going to example.spec.ts, control V, control S. So I have pasted the code here. So in this code, this is simply just going to launch the Playwright dev site and just going to verify the title of it. And now this is the command to execute the test, npx playwright test. So see, running one test using one worker, this got passed. So by default, you will see that Playwright test ran a test using Chromium browser in headless manner. Okay, so by default they are executed on Chromium and in headless manner. If we have to execute them in headed manner, so this is the command npx playwright test headed. So see the Chromium opened. Okay, so it is passed. So this is how easy it is to set up the framework using Playwright, and this is just the basic thing for setting up the Playwright. We will see further the configurations file and the configuration properties in our next video. Thank you.